Have you ever been to a ship dock and wondered why there are kilometers of containers left unclaimed and abandoned? Basically, there is no one to claim those goods, and those thousands of containers are just sitting in the dock waiting for their owners. There can be many reasons for that, but one such reason is because those goods hold no value at all. The actual use of those goods were just to remit the money, and as soon as the money was remitted, those goods were abandoned. So what happens in exporter in some country decides to send this Mayan arrow for rupees 10 crore while the actual value of this in the Indian market is 1 crore. So the importer of the Indian market will pay by the letter of credit to the exporter rupees 10 crore the invoiced amount, which is inflated and over invoiced, and after paying the over inflated value of this Mayan arrow 10 crore to the Chinese exporter, this Mayan arrow is actually sold in Indian market at rupees 1 crore, and the excess 9 crore is with this Indian trader outside India with no one to question. Now most of the times the goods don't have to hold some value, and that is why traders abandon those containers at the port. China is the king in this game because everyone needs cash and money in China to pay for the cheap products which they could supply to their home country. Some real life cases are China was importing toilet paper from UK at the price of 3.5 lakhs per kg. Traders of this country was exporting plastic buckets at the price of 80,000 per bucket.